An example, I guess, would be definitely in a lot of my relationships, but I guess most recognizable for me has been my relationship with my mom, and just developed such an intense resentment towards her and blame towards her, that all the problems that have happened in my life were all her fault. And anytime I was around her, I would just exude this. I hate to use this word, but it's the truth. I had this exuding like disgust towards her. And then just finally, when I was able to start really questioning this thought that she should be different, she should support me, she should hear me, she should be able to acknowledge me, my pain, and how she's caused it all. When I realized that just me thinking that she should be different is what was the root of that struggle, of what was the root of that pain. I mean, it was like light going off, freedom from so much stress and anxiety, and that feeling of disgust and hatred was just, it's just gone.